guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are doing another unboxing video for the AOC gaming monitor. And it's been quite a while, we know, but now they have introduced this new series, and this one specifically is the CQ27G3S. I'm gonna unbox this, we see what do we have inside the box, and then we will take you through with all the specifications and everything this monitor has to offer. So first thing first, once you open this, as usual with all the AOC monitors, we get this nice and clean instructions in front of you. So this is where they says everything very clearly that how you should unbox this. Alright, so the first thing we will see some instructions to how to take out the box. There we go. So first thing, all the manuals and CDs inside, what you need, all the information, you can get it from here. One HDMI cable, display cable, one power cable for you guys to power it up. We have the base, and this is the base we're gonna open in a while. Last one is the arm itself. So let's put everything here and then open this. Ta-da! Important instructions here from me to you. Do not take it out. You put the arm first because it's secure already inside. So if you guys can see this, this is the back of the monitor. You take out the arm. You take this. There's just a clip. 2 clips goes in here and bam, you are done with that. Then next thing, of course, the base. Okay, so this base is very simple to put. Just put it here and then you can screw it in. Okay guys, so once you are done with this, just bring this out, hold it just like that, and it's a very light monitor. Time to unveil this. There we go. Okay, so this is what, oh, that the curve is quite nice for this one. And as I told you guys, this monitor is very light. Before I continue with this model, these specs and all the crazy stuff this monitor has to offer, a lot of people ask the questions in the comment section, the videos about it can go up and down, move around and all this. Yes, this one, okay, you can adjust it accordingly, and then you can bring it up or down. You can adjust your tilt how you want it to be, and then you can swirl it around to the left and to the right. Okay, so any angles you prefer, you can do it. It's very straightforward, and you guys can see from the back as well, it's a very adjustable, very light, move anywhere you want it to be, whatever goes for your setup. So let's set this up with our PC, and then we will talk about all its features. Alright guys, so this one is all set up. Before I continue, I would like to mention about the VESA mount, which is 100 by 100 mm. So if you want to put on the arms, all the standard arms, it will be easy to adjust for you guys, or put on table arms or moving arms or anyone, but for us it always works perfectly with the stand. It has the 130 millimeter of the height adjustment swivel from the -40 to 40 degrees, and the tilt from the -50 to 23 degrees, which I have demonstrated earlier for you guys. There is the 2 into HDMI 2.0 ports, 1 into DisplayPort, which is 1.2, 1 headphone port, and 1 into the power point. And the DisplayPort, if you was looking for the 165 Hz refresh rate, that's where the DisplayPort comes in, and the HDMI provides 144 Hz refresh rate. So the CQ27G3S has, of course, a 27-inch display, which is perfect for quad HD resolution, which is 2560 by 1440p. It has a 165 Hz refresh rate, which means everything on the screen will look and move smoother at high frame rates, which is important for gaming, especially with fast-paced shooters, FPS games and all that. The 1 millisecond response time means that you don't have to worry about ghosting and simmering during fast-moving action either. This monitor supports AMD FreeSync Premium, which syncs up the monitor's refresh rate to the GPU's frame rate output, so you won't have the issues like screen tearing and stuttering. This version supports LFC, which means low frame rate compensation. With LFC, if your game's frame rate drops below the monitor's lowest supported refresh rate, frames automatically display multiple times. This means you will stay in your monitor's supported refresh rate range and therefore maintain smooth gameplay. It also has the HDR compatibility with the rating of HDR10. Normally, gaming monitors use IPS panel for their display screens because they provide better viewing angle and wider range of colors. at the cost of a lower contrast ratio, but VA panels offer a much better contrast ratio and image quality, usually at the cost of the lower viewing angles. Having said all this, the CQ27G3S uses a VA panel, but it has a mind-blowing 178 by 178 degree viewing angle and a contrast ratio of 3000 by 1. It even has a color accuracy rating of delta E less than 2. You are honestly getting the best of both panels with this one monitor. This monitor also comes with low blue mode and flick-free technology, which helps to protect your eyes and lower eye fatigue during those long late night gaming sessions with your friends and family or by yourself. Now let's tackle the standout feature, the curvature. Our eyes don't actually see the world as a flat plane. We have a curved field of view where details are less redefined around our peripheral vision. Curved monitors help to fill up that vision by mimicking our field of view, which helps provide a more immersive viewing experience. A little bit of the science lesson for you guys. The CQ27G3S has a curve rating of 1000R, which stands for 1000 millimeter radius. Basically, if you line up a bunch of these monitors to form a circle, the radius of the circle will be 1000 millimeter, therefore the rating. But more important, the 1000R curve actually matches our field of view the most, meaning we will get the best viewing experience with this monitor. Alright guys, so one of the very interesting feature in most of the AOC gaming monitors is the game mode. So these different game modes are available into the menu. So if you guys go to the menu, if you guys can see, they have different game setting, extra stuff and all these things. We have gone through these quite a lot of times, so if you guys want to know more about the whole menu system of the AOC, you can check out some of our previous videos where we have explained in very detail. When you go to the menu, you can see under the game settings, you can have the game mode. So when you press it turns green, then you can change your game modes, different game modes you want. So what we have, you can totally turn it off, or you can have it the game mode, which is the FPS, RTS, then we have a racing gaming mode, and then we have gamer 1, gamer 2, gamer 3, where you will have more control on the custom settings you can do actually. So go back to our FPS mode, because this is what we will be playing, and we are playing Valorant to test on this monitor. So let's see, we set it up on the FPS mode and see how this monitor performs with our Valorant. To sum it up, this monitor have everything you need: an optimally curved display, a brilliant VA panel with wide viewing angles and fast refresh rate. All these features really make this monitor stand out from its other 27-inch peers. Alright guys, so I hope I have covered all the standout features of this monitor. If you guys want to know a little bit more about it, I'll be dropping the link in the description to check on their website in more detail. And if you guys have any further questions about this and other settings and all those parts, you guys can drop that in the comment section below. I'll be happy to assist you all with all the questions you have. So I hope you guys have liked the video, and yeah, this is our new Rebel Squad tech channel, so don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you guys can know whenever we post a new video. Until then, take care. I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye bye.